Hello students. So today we are starting our IUPAC nomenclature. Actually, IUPAC nomenclature we have already started in the last video. This is the part 2. So before this, if you have not watched that video, so please watch it. First means watch IUPAC nomenclature part 1 first. After that, start this video or watch and study this video. ओके अगर आपने अपना नोटबुक ओपन नहीं किया बेटा सो प्लीज ओपन योर नोटबुक बिकॉज प्रिपरेशन ऑफ नोट्स इज मस्ट. दिस नोट्स ओनली विल हेल्प यू आउट आफ्टर सम डेज, आफ्टर 10 days, आफ्टर 15 days during the examination. There will be no need of opening of this video. Therefore, write everything, write your notes in your notebook. Okay, let's start. हेडिंग डालेंगे IUPAC nomenclature. मैं किस IUPAC नॉमेनक्लेचर की बात करूं इसके पहले जो हमने वीडियो आपने देखा है उस वीडियो पे हमने कुछ इस टाइप के, सपोज दिस इज द कंपाउंड और इसका आपको क्या करना है, दिस इज द ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड, इसका आपको नॉमेनक्लेचर करना है. तो इसका नॉमेनक्लेचर हम कैसे करेंगे, हाउ टू गिव द IUPAC नेम ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर कंपाउंड. सो वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड दिस वन इन दैट वीडियो. Okay, there are 4 steps. First, selection of longest chain. After that, naming of substituent. After that, numbering of the longest chain. Numbering of carbon atom of longest chain. Then we do the naming of the substituent with their position, and the last step is naming of parent chain. So these are the 4 basic steps. अब वहां पर हमने देखा कि substituent simple सिंगल टाइप्स के थे, जैसे कि इसमें आप देख सकते हैं, इफ यू विल सेलेक्ट दिस वन एज द लॉन्गेस्ट चेन, सो यू विल हैव ओनली वन सब्स्टिट्यूएंट. दिस वन इज नोन एज सब्स्टिट्यूएंट. सो हियर ओनली वन सब्स्टिट्यूएंट इज प्रेजेंट इन दिस कंपाउंड. So today actually we have to study if 2 substituent is present. Suppose question is like this. अगर आपके कंपाउंड में 2 सब्स्टिट्यूएंट प्रेजेंट हो, 2 सब्स्टिट्यूएंट प्रेजेंट हो, मोर देन 2 सब्स्टिट्यूएंट प्रेजेंट हो, देन हाउ विल यू गिव द नेम ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर कंपाउंड. सो ये आज हमारा आज के IUPAC नॉमेनक्लेचर का मेन एम है कि अगर 2 सब्स्टिट्यूएंट हो, 2 और मोर देन 2 सब्स्टिट्यूएंट हैं, तो हम उसका नेमिंग कैसे करेंगे. तो वीडियो केयरफुली देखिए और आप कॉन्सेप्ट को समझने की, नेमिंग के रूल्स को समझने की ट्राई कीजिए. ओके, लेट्स सी. तो बेटा रूल क्या बोलता है, रूल इज द, एवरीवन प्लीज राइट, इफ 2 और more than 2 substituent are present in organic compound, then now here it is the rule ना, रूल. अब यहां पे क्या हो सकता है बेटा, that 2 substituent can be same and can be different. 2 केस हो सकता है. प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई वांट टू से. यहां पर व्हाट आई वांट टू से दैट इफ 2 और मोर देन 2 substituent आर प्रेजेंट, 2 substituent हो या मोर देन 2, तो भाई वो 2 substituent सेम भी हो सकते हैं, डिफरेंट भी हो सकते हैं. लेट्स सी, सपोज 1 2 3 4 5 6, यहां पे लग गया CH3, यहां पे लग गया C2H5. ओके, एंड लेट्स सी 1 2 3 4 5 6, here it is CH3, here it is CH3. In these 2 compound you can see here the substituent is C2H5 and CH3, here the substituent is CH3 and CH3. तो जब सब्स्टिट्यूएंट सेम हो तब एक रूल होगा और जब सब्स्टिट्यूएंट डिफरेंट हो तो दूसरा रूल होगा. सो लेट्स सी फर्स्ट फॉर दिस सेम सब्स्टिट्यूएंट, if two or more than two substituents are present in organic compound, then for same substituent we use for same substituent prefix di, tri, tetra, penta, etc. are used for 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Number of substituent respectively. Means what? If two substituent will be there, means methyl group is supposed 2 times, we will use di word, di prefix. If methyl will be 3 times, we will use tri. If it will be 4 times, we will use tetra. So like that, we will add prefix. Now let's see in detail that how to add it. Okay. So here different substituent is not required. So I am erasing this one. Okay. And let's see how to give the name of this compound. Before that, I want to complete this question by adding hydrogens, and you really know very well if you have watched the previous videos, okay, and attended the light classes. So how to add the hydrogens here? Here the first step is same, that is selection of longest chain. So select the longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the longest chain contains 6 carbon. So this one will be our longest chain. Okay. After that, numbering is required. If I come from here, if I go from here left to right, 1, 2, 3, this one is getting 3rd position. Substituent is getting 3rd position. And if I come from right side, 1, 2, substituent is getting 2nd position. So 2nd is the minimum. So I should come from the right side. So this one is 1, 1st carbon. So I suppose this is the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Now you can see this methyl group is in 2nd position and this methyl group is in 4th position. This methyl group, which is actually substituent, this substituent is present in 2nd and 4th position and it is of 2 times. Okay, methyl group is present is of 2 times. So how we will write here? We will add prefix di before methyl. Add prefix di before its name. So the name of substituent is methyl. Okay, name of substituent is methyl, and position is also required to give. And the another thing is we will have to add di because it is of 2 times. So it will become dimethyl. And you know very well from the last lecture, from the last rules of IUPAC nomenclature, which we have already discussed in the last video. Okay, that is position is also required to give here, and the position of the substituent is 2 and 4. So here it will become 2, 4, then dash 2, 4 dimethyl. After that, write the name of parent alkane, and in this parent alkane how many carbons? 6 carbon. So it will become 2, 4 dimethyl hexane, and there will be no any gap. There will be no any space between substituent and the parent alkane. So the final name will be 2, 4 dimethyl hexane. Okay, beta. Let's see one more example. Where I should write. Here I am writing. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here CH3. Here CH3. Now how will you write the name? Here it is Here also suppose one CH3. CH3, it is CH, it is CH, it is CH, and it will also become CH3. Select the longest chain. Our first step is same. That were steps. This is rule. Okay. Don't be confused between rules and step. There are 4 steps. First step, selection of longest chain. Here we will select longest chain. This one will be our longest chain. Okay. How many carbon is there in this longest chain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 carbon is present in this longest chain. After that, how many substituent is here? 1, 2, 3 substituents is here, and name of the substituent is methyl. Means of that all these substituents are same, and these substituents are 3 types. For same substituent, prefix di, tri, tetra, penta, etc. are used for 2, 3, 4, 5 number of substituent. Matlab in 4 times it is, 5 times it is, so it is 3 times. For 3 times, second one is di, then tri. Tri we will use. So what will be the name? Here I am writing. Okay, it will become trimethyl. Name of substituent is trimethyl here. Trimethyl, and position is also required to give. So what are the position? 1, 2, numbering we have not done, sorry for that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I come from right side, 1, 2, second position. From left side, 1, 2, second position. So we can write, we can give the numbering from left or right. Both are correct. Okay. So I gave from the left only. Now this one is the second position. Second, third, and fourth. So it will become 2, 3, 4, then dash, trimethyl, and how many carbon in the parent chain? 5 carbon. So the name of alkane which contains 5 carbon, that is pentane. Yeah, correct. Good. So here it will become pentane. So the name is 2,3,4 trimethyl pentane. Name of this substance is 2,3,4 trimethyl pentane. Okay. Please note this all. Okay. Then we will see if different substituent will be there, then how to give the name. Please note it. I am in this side. My dear students, so I think you have noted down. Now we will see if different substituent is there. So let's write if different substituent is present, then how to write the name? There follow 2 steps. Okay, write the name of all substituent with their position This is the first step. Then second step, rearrange all substituent alphabetically. Alphabetically means in the alphabetical order you will arrange all the substituent. Let's write the name of one organic compound which contains different substituent. Let's see for that. Suppose the question is here it is CH3 and here it is C2H5. Okay students, so in the longest chain we will select like this we will select. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 5 carbon, here 1 2 3 4 5 carbon. Okay, you can select any one, you will get the same name. 1 2 3 4 5 carbon, but here it will become complex. So first select the straight chain. Now come give the numbering. So numbering you will start from here, because if I give the number from here, this one will get second position, and if I come from the right side 1 2 3, it will give third position. So out of 3 and 2, 2 is minimum, so from left to right is correct. So I will give 1 2 3, then 4, then 5. We should give the name of the compound like this. Okay, now come here. What you have to do? Write the name of all substituent with their position. First do this one. This is the methyl, this is the ethyl. Okay. One carbon is here, so methyl it is. Two carbon is here, so ethyl it is. All the substituent is named by putting YL as a suffix. Okay, after word root. So after word root is meth. Word root is meth, and in this meth I will add YL. Word root is eighth, and in this eighth I will put YL. So this is the name of substituent. Methyl is in second position, so 2-methyl. Ethyl is in third position, so this is 3-ethyl. So these are the name of the substituent. I wrote it. After that, what you have to do? Second step, rearrange all substituent alphabetically. Now this one is 2-methyl, this one is 3-methyl, but it is not in alphabetical order. So arrange it alphabetically. 3-ethyl, E comes first, then N comes later. So here we will write first 3, then dash ethyl, 3 dash ethyl, then dash again, 3 dash ethyl, dash 2 dash methyl. Now here N will become small. Okay. So 3 ethyl hyphen, someone say hyphen as well, 3 hyphen ethyl hyphen 2 hyphen methyl. Then how many carbon is here? 5 carbon is here. So 5 carbon means pentane it is. So here the parent alkane, name of parent alkane will be in last. So it will be pentane. So the name of this substance is 3-ethyl 2-methyl pentane. Name of this substance is 3-ethyl 2-methyl pentane. Okay. Now here you please write it and do some practice of some questions which is given in your book. Any book, in all types of book it is given. Okay. Now we will see some nomenclature in alkenes. Okay. Suppose double bond is there, triple bond is there. So how to write the name? Let's see on that. Before that, take this screenshot or write it. Done. 1, 2, 3. Done. Good. Let's see the next one. Our next question is, suppose you are having this type of question, CH3, CH double bond, CH single bond, CH3. Now how to write the name? Okay, it is not a simple saturated hydrocarbon. It is an unsaturated hydrocarbon because of presence of double bond. Whenever double bond or triple bond will be present in any organic compound, that will be unsaturated. Okay, so here it is unsaturated. So what is the rule for this? Rule is same. Here we will consider the double bond as the substituent, or due to that we will give the position of this double bond. Let's see and all the rules and follow the steps. Okay. Rule. This one is third rule. Okay. Substituent, number of substituent was 2 or more than 2. That was second rule. This one is the third rule. If double bond or triple bond is present in organic compound, then select the longest chain with this double bond or triple bond. What is the meaning of this one? Or triple bond. That is, we can also write this rule like double bonded or triple bonded carbon atom should be in longest chain. So you will select the longest chain accordingly. Okay, आप लॉन्गेस्ट चेन को ऐसे सेलेक्ट कीजिए कि डबल बॉन्ड या ट्रिपल बॉन्ड उस लॉन्गेस्ट चेन में होने चाहिए. गॉट इट? दैट डबल बॉन्ड और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड शुड बी इन लॉन्गेस्ट चेन. सो हियर दिस इज ओनली, सो दिस इज द लॉन्गेस्ट चेन. ओके, बाय दिस वे यू विल सेलेक्ट. ओके, इस हमने जो लॉन्गेस्ट चेन सेलेक्ट किया है इसमें डबल बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट है. इन दिस लॉन्गेस्ट चेन डबल बॉन्ड इज प्रेजेंट. So we will follow this rule, and the rest of the steps are same. And we have to give the position of the double bond. We have to write the positions of the double bond. Second one you can also write the numbering of carbon atom. Numbering of carbon atom should be done in such a way that double bonded or triple bonded here is done. Better is done. Okay, number of carbon atom is done in such a way that double bonded or triple bonded carbon atom get minimum number means we will treat that double bond or triple bond as a substituent. Okay, what we were preferring? We were giving the numbering to the carbon atoms of the parent chain, in which way that carbon atom should get minimum number which contains substituent. जिसमें substituent होता था उसको हम minimum number देने की ट्राई करते थे. सेम यहां पर भी आपको करना है. जिसमें डबल बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट है उसको मिनिमम नंबर देना है. ओके, सो हियर इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम, सपोज वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर 1 2. सो दिस डबल बॉन्ड, दिस कार्बन एटम व्हिच इज हैविंग डबल बॉन्ड इज गेटिंग सेकंड नंबर 1 2. फ्रॉम राइट साइड आल्सो इट इज गेटिंग डबल नंबर, मींस सेकंड नंबर. ओके, तो हम कहां से करेंगे? एनी साइड. बट सपोज इट इज लाइक दिस CH2 CH3. चलिए क्वेश्चन मैंने चेंज कर दिया ताकि हमको अच्छे समझ में आए. Okay, now if I'll give the numbering from left side 1 2, double bond is getting second position, and if I'll come from right side 1 2 3, double bond is getting third position. Now second or third, which one is minimum? Second is minimum, so we will come from the left side only. Okay, so numbering will be done from the left side 1 2 3 4, and it will become 5. Now how to write the name? The state number 3 and 4 is same. Now write the name of this alkane. Now it is not alkane. Now it has become alkene because of the double bond. Double bond present है इसलिए अब ये alkane नहीं है, अब ये alkene है. How many carbon is here? 5 carbon is here. So the third step is, now write the name of substituent by using same rule. भाई जो रूल था अभी तक वही रूल हम फॉलो करेंगे अगर सब्स्टिट्यूएंट है तो. ठीक है, सब्स्टिट्यूएंट यहां पर नहीं है. आफ्टर दैट फोर्थ स्टेप इज, अभी सब्स्टिट्यूएंट नहीं है इसमें. देखो सब्स्टिट्यूएंट है क्या? नहीं. मिथाइल ग्रुप है, इथाइल ग्रुप है, कुछ लगा है? नहीं. Okay, now come to the fourth number. What is the fourth number? That is, fourth step is write the name of parent alkene or alkyne with the position of double bond or triple bond. Everyone please write double bond or triple bond. Okay, write the name of parent alkene or alkyne with the position of double bond or triple bond. ठीक है, इसका पहले स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए, फिर मैं इसको कंप्लीट करता हूं. और हियर आई कैन कंप्लीट इट. लेट्स सी. ओके, अब इसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे बेटा, पेरेंट एल्कीन का नाम लिखेंगे. हियर 5 कार्बन, सो इट विल बिकम पेंटीन. ऑफ कोर्स पेंट, देन इन. Here it is not an. In the alkene we use suffix ene. alkene में हम कौन सा फिक्स यूज करते हैं, ene. एंड 5 कार्बन है तो वर्ड रूट क्या हो जाएगा, पेंट. सो इट बिकम्स पेंट इन. बट हियर द थिंग इज, हियर यू विल हैव टू गिव position of the double bond. And in which carbon double bond is present beta? That is in second position. This double bond is present in second position. So how to write the name? First we will write word root paint. After that hyphen. Then position is 2. Then again hyphen. Then ene. Okay. So this is the answer of this question. Let's write some more example. Before that take the screenshot. 1, 2, 3 done. Good. 1, 2, 3 done. Very good. Now let's see. फटाफट से 2-3 क्वेश्चन देखते हैं बेटा, ताकि आपकी प्रैक्टिस अच्छे से हो जाए. ओके, ये तो रूल्स मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया. फटाफट से 2-3 क्वेश्चन देखते हैं ताकि ये हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट दिमाग में अच्छे से सेट हो जाए. CH3 सिंगल बॉन्ड, CH डबल बॉन्ड, CH सिंगल बॉन्ड, CH डबल बॉन्ड, CH3. Here it is CH3. CH3, this one is okay. Now it is the correct answer. Correct question. CH3, CH double bond. Here it is CH3. Okay, and here it is CH3. Okay, now come to the next question. 3 question देखते हैं. This one is second question. First question वहां हो गया था. This one third question, and here I am writing fourth question. This fourth question is suppose CH3, CH, then CH2, then triple bond CH. Sorry, it will be like this. C triple bond CH. Now start from the beginning. Okay. Selection of the longest chain is the first chain. First step. And what is the rule? If double bond is present, that parent chain should contain double bond. Double bond parent chain में ही होना चाहिए. इस बात को ध्यान में रखेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we can select any one. I selected this one. ठीक है, मैंने इसको सेलेक्ट किया. Now if I come from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here if I come from there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I am getting second position. So this one, and this one is the fourth position. And if I come from there, so 1, 2 second position, and 3, this one is the 3 position. ध्यान से देखेंगे, है ना, यहाँ पर एक रूल आता है, पर ध्यान से देखेंगे. If I come from the left side, सेकंड पोजीशन इसको मिला, ठीक है, एंड फोर्थ पोजीशन इसको मिला. सब्स्टिट्यूएंट ये भी है, सब्स्टिट्यूएंट ये भी है. डबल बॉन्ड को भी हमको देखना है और इसको भी हमको देखना है. ओके, सो सेकंड पोजीशन और फोर्थ पोजीशन फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. लेफ्ट टू राइट में हमको सेकंड पोजीशन मिल रहा है और फोर्थ पोजीशन मिल रहा है. नाउ कम टू राइट टू लेफ्ट. इफ आई कमिंग फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट, फर्स्ट सेकंड पोजीशन में मिथाइल, थर्ड पोजीशन में डबल बॉन्ड. ओके, सेकंड पोजीशन में मिथाइल है एंड थर्ड पोजीशन में डबल बॉन्ड है. सो वी आर हैविंग फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट, सेकंड पोजीशन में डबल बॉन्ड, थर्ड पोजीशन में सेकंड पोजीशन में मिथाइल, थर्ड पोजीशन में डबल बॉन्ड. ध्यान से देखिए, अगर मान लो आपको लोअर प्रेफरेंस देना है, सेकंड टू सेम है तो ये कैंसिल हो गया. ये तो सेम है तो यहां से हमको आंसर मिलेगा नहीं. हम किसको प्रीफर करते हैं बेटा, जिसमें मिनिमम नंबर मिले. तो दोनों तो सेम हो गया तो यहां से तो हम आंसर नहीं निकाल सकते. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट वन, फोर्थ पोजीशन और थर्ड पोजीशन, विच वन इज मिनिमम, 4 और 3? 3 इज मिनिमम. So right to left is the better to give the name, to give the, sorry, not name, numbering. Right to left is better, so we will give the numbering from the right to left. अगर समझ में नहीं आया तो प्लीज एक बार वीडियो बैक कीजिए और फिर से वॉच कर लीजिए. ओके, 1 2 3, so it will become 4 and this one will be 5. Now write the name. इसके बाद क्या करेंगे बेटा, सबसे पहले सब्स्टिट्यूएंट का नाम लिखते हैं, है ना. ऑर्डर आप यहां पर लिख लो, शॉर्ट ट्रिक आपको बताता हूं. सबसे पहले सब्स्टिट्यूएंट आता है, सब्स्टिट्यूएंट विथ पोजीशन. सब्स्टिट्यूएंट के बाद हम क्या लिखते हैं बेटा, वर्ड रूट. वर्ड रूट, वर्ड रूट के बाद क्या हम लिखते हैं बेटा, हम लिखते हैं इसके बाद सफिक्स. सफिक्स, सब्स्टिट्यूएंट में क्या आता है, प्रीफिक्स है, दैट इज प्रीफिक्स. सब्स्टिट्यूएंट कौन सा है, मिथाइल ग्रुप है. मिथाइल ग्रुप इज इन विच पोजीशन, सेकंड पोजीशन. सब्स्टिट्यूएंट विथ पोजीशन, सो 2 methyl, 2 dash methyl. आफ्टर दैट नाउ कम टू वर्ड रूट. वर्ड रूट कहां से मिलेगा, पैरेंट चेन से, है ना. एक और शॉर्ट ट्रिक बताया आपको. Word root you will get from the parent chain. In this parent chain, how many carbon? 5 carbon. 5 carbon means word root will be paint. So it is paint. After that, suffix. In the suffix, double bond will come, triple bond will come, or single bond will come. अगर alkane होगा तो ane, alkane होगा तो ane, alkene होगा तो ene, double bond होगा तो ene, और अगर triple bond होगा तो yne. If functional group is not present, अगर फंक्शनल ग्रुप प्रेजेंट नहीं है तब की बात है. ओके, सो आफ्टर पेंट हियर इट विल बिकम डबल बॉन्ड, so it will become ene, but you will have to give the position of double bond, that is in third position. Sorry, so dash or hyphen, then again hyphen, ene. So the answer is 2 methyl pent 3 ene. This is the answer of this question. Okay, now come to here. Here select the longest chain, 1 2 3. This is the longest chain, and here 1 2 3. Sorry, मैं क्वेश्चन चेंज कर रहा हूं ताकि आपको अच्छे समझ में आए. 1 2 3 लॉन्गेस्ट चेन मैं ऐसे ले सकता हूं, 1 2 3 ऐसे भी ले सकता हूं. नाउ विच वन इज करेक्ट, ये एच नहीं आएगा यहां पे. ओके, 1 2 3 1 2 3. सो लॉन्गेस्ट चेन कौन सा करेक्ट होगा बेटा, जिसमें डबल बॉन्ड हो. So here we will select longest chain like this. Okay. Now in the second position, 1 2. In second position methyl, second position double bond. 2 पे methyl, 2 पे double bond. And if I come from here, 1 पे double bond and 2 पे methyl. 1 2 3. Right to left, right to left. 1 2 3. 1 पे double bond, 2 पे methyl group. This one is substituent. This one is substituent. Okay, from right to left, first position and second position. बताइए. अब यहां पर देखिए, फर्स्ट, सबसे पहले हम फर्स्ट को कंपेयर करेंगे, सेकंड एंड फर्स्ट. विच वन इज मिनिमम, 1 is minimum, so this one is correct. Means right to left is correct. Right to left is correct. तो 1 2 3 this one is correct. हम लेफ्ट टू राइट इसकी नंबरिंग नहीं करेंगे. Now come to substituent. What is the name of substituent? That is methyl. And methyl is present in second position. So here it will become 2 methyl. After that 1 पे क्या है बेटा, 3 कार्बन. सॉरी, वर्ड रूट इज 3 कार्बन है तो 3 कार्बन है तो prop. ओके, सो इट इज prop. आफ्टर दैट फर्स्ट नंबर पे डबल बॉन्ड मीन्स डैश 1 dash ene. First number पे double bond. So it is 2 methyl prop 1 ene. Now come to this one. Come to this one. This question. Okay. Here CH3 CH C triple bond CH. Select the longest chain. It will be longest chain. If I come from here 1 2 3. Third position पे triple bond 1 triple bond. So in this third position triple bond is better, or in the first position triple bond is better. First position triple bond is better. So here we will write, we will give the numbering from right side, 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay. Now write the name of this one. Write the name of this one. How many carbon? Substituent is not present, so here there is no need of this one. Direct word root will come. Word root means how many carbon? 4 carbon. 4 carbon means word root will become but. After that hyphen, then first position, then again hyphen, then ene. But-1-ene. But remember one thing, my dear students, that if you will get one number in ene or yne. Sorry, it is triple bond, so yne we will use. Okay, yne suffix will be used for triple bond. And what I wanted to say, if this triple bond or double bond is present in the first position, so you can skip this numbering. No need to give the number of a triple bond or double bond if that is present in one number. Means there is two correct answer. But-1 is but-1-ine, that is correct. But you can also write but-ine, means butane. No need to give numbering or position of triple bond or double bond if that is present in first carbon atom. Got it? Now take the screenshot or write it immediately. Now let's see. If functional group is present there in the longest chain, okay, if functional group is present, then have to write the name. Okay, here I am not writing the rule because rules are same beta. Okay, we have to just do the practice. Rules same है. फंक्शनल ग्रुप का भी पोजीशन आपको बताना है यहां पर, जैसे आप सब्स्टिट्यूएंट का पोजीशन बताते थे. ओके, व्हाट आई वांट टू सी, लेट्स सी. सपोज द क्वेश्चन इज CH3 CH2 CH2OH. This is the question. Okay, so here we will start. This one is the functional group. This one is the functional group, which is alcohol. We have already covered it in the live class. Okay, now give the numbering. Select the longest chain. This is the longest chain of carbon atom. Here we have to give the numbering in such a way that functional group should get minimum number. So we will give the numbering from here, first number, second number, थर्ड नंबर. जैसे आप सब्स्टिट्यूएंट को ट्रीट करते थे नंबरिंग के लिए, वैसे ही आप फंक्शनल ग्रुप को करेंगे. एंड द रूल्स आर सेम. सेकेंड थिंग, ड्यूरिंग द लाइव क्लास आई एक्सप्लेन यू दैट एल्कोहल के लिए, फॉर एल्कोहल वी यूज ऑल सफिक्स in place of E. In place of E. Suppose, please see, C2H5OH is here. How to write the name of this one? So for this, remember one formula for IUPAC nomenclature, that is alkanol. You can remember this one. Or second you can do, you first write alkane, ALKANE, and after the writing of the name of alkane, here I have written alkane, not written ethane. It is ethane, but I have written alkane. Replace that E by OL. If you replace that E by OL, you will get alkanol only. So this thing you have to do for this. For writing the name of this one, first write the name of alkane. How many carbon is here? 2 carbon is here. So when 2 carbon is present in any alkane, the alkane is named as ethane. From this ethane, since OH is present in this compound, we will replace that E by OL. So the name will become ethanol. So this is the name of this compound. IUPAC name of this compound. And this one I explained in the live class, but after that I revised it here. Now listen students, OL is the suffix which used in place of E of A and E. Remember this one? Now start to write the name of this compound. Here, how many carbon is present in parent chain? 3 carbon. So here our word root will be prop, P-R-O-P, and since substituent is not present, functional group is present. Generally, functional group is named by using suffix. फंक्शनल ग्रुप को एज अ सफिक्स यूज करते हैं और सब्स्टिट्यूएंट को एज अ प्रीफिक्स. सब्स्टिट्यूएंट को पहले लिखा जाता है. हियर आई वांट टू ऐड substituent in the short trick. First we write substituent with the position, then we write word root, then we write suffix, and in suffix functional group comes. Okay बेटा, functional group को हम कहाँ यूज करते हैं? सफिक्स के पास यूज करते हैं. और सब्स्टिट्यूएंट को कहाँ यूज करते हैं? प्रीफिक्स के पास यूज करते हैं. तो इस बात को ध्यान रखेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. सो सफिक्स functional groups are named as the suffix. है ना, सफिक्स के फॉर्म पे हम उसका नेम करेंगे. prop और after that ane, so it is propane, and since it is ol is the suffix for alcohol. For OH we will replace this E and we will add OL. But here we have to give the position of this OH. OH is in first carbon, so it will become propane, then dash 1 dash all. But the rule is again same. If one is there, you can skip that. Means you can write propanol. Propanol, no need to give 1. If 1 is there, and if 2 is there, you can't skip. If 2 is there, you can't skip. What's the meaning of that? CH3, CH3. Suppose OH is here. Now you will select the longest chain, this one. After that, give the numbering. First, second, third. Now here, OH is in second position. In the word root, how many carbon? 3 carbon. In the parent chain, how many carbon? 3 carbon. 3 carbon means word root will be prop A. Replace E and add all with the position, and the position is 2. So propane dash 2 dash all. Propane to all. Here you can't skip 2, but you can skip 1. 1 को skip कर सकते हैं, 2 को skip नहीं कर सकते. इस बात को ध्यान रखेंगे. Please remember this one. Okay, got it? And if 2 times OH is present, rule is same. Okay, CH3, CH2. Here also OH, here also OH. Longest chain you will select like this. Everything I have explained, not just the practice required. Questions निकालिए बुक से और आंसर लिखिए. आंसर को मैच कीजिए बुक से. If you are not getting the correct answer, again read all the steps, again read all the rules from the video only. I have explained everything in the video, in the last video and in the current video. Okay, madam? This one is the longest chain. Now numbering we will start from the right side, because if we will start from right side, OH will be in first position. If I will start from left side, OH will be in second position. So 1 is better. So start from right side. 1, 2, 3. Okay. How many carbon? 3 carbon. So prop in, replace E, and after that OH and OH. 2 OH is there. 2 OH is there means 2 functional group is same. 2 same functional group is present. For same functional group, we use di. Got it? And after that, all. Now, what is the position? 1 and 2. So it is 1, 2 di all. 1, 2 di all. Before that, one more hyphen is required. Here, one thing is required to remember, and that is if alcohol is 2 times. If alcohol is 2 times or 3 times or 4 times, means you are using di, tri, टेट्रा, पेंटा, एट दैट टाइम नो नीड टू इरेज ई, ई को इरेज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. हियर यू कैन राइट अ नोट. ओके, नो नीड टू ड्रॉप E from alkane if from alkane if functional group are present more than one time. एक बार से ज्यादा प्रेजेंट हो तो ई को ड्रॉप करने की जरूरत नहीं है, वो वहीं पर रहेगा. गॉट इट? सो दिस इज द रूल. नाउ सम मोर प्रैक्टिसेस इज रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, कुछ और फंक्शनल ग्रुप में आपको थोड़ा सा बता देता हूं. ओके बेटा, एंड फॉर दैट बिफोर दैट यू प्लीज टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट और राइट इट इमीडिएटली. ओके, और यू कैन पॉज इट एंड आफ्टर दैट राइट. You can pause the video. Now let's see some more questions better. Okay. Like CH3, CH, Cl, CH3, CH3, CH, Cl, CH, Br, CH3, CH3, CH, Cl, CH, Cl, CH2, CH3. Let's see these three questions. Okay. Here the first step is same, selection of the longest chain. We will select this one as the longest chain. This is the, I don't know which number, which question number it is. I am giving again first question. This is second question, and suppose this one is third question. Okay beta. Now first question it is, we have selected the longest chain. Now the second step is giving numbering from the numbering. Okay, give the number to the carbon atom 1, 2, 3. This one is chlorine. Remember, halogens are substituent. Halogen are substituent. We will treat it as a substituent. Substituent means इसको हम पहले लिखेंगे as a prefix. Substituent means prefix. As a prefix we will write. And in the live class I have explained, but please revise it. If fluorine is present, we will use fluoro as a suffix. If chlorine is present, we use chloro. If bromine is present, we use bromo. And if iodine is present, we use iodo. Okay, with the position we have to give the suffix, name of the suffix. So here chloro, for chlorine we will use suffix chloro. Again the short trick, come to there, first substituent, after that word root, after that functional group is there, or here I am writing directly suffix, and suffix, in the suffix only functional group is present, and in the prefix substituent are present, and these are as a substituent. So first we will write substituent, and substituent is chlorine. For chlorine we use chloro. So this one is the chloro. We will start from chloro only. This chloro is in second position. So 2-chloro position is also required. After that word root, how many carbon? 1, 2, 3 carbon is there. So word root will be prop, P-R-O-P, prop. Which suffix we will use? Is here functional group? No. Chlorine we have already treated as the substituent. Now we don't have any functional group. So here we will use suffix A and E. A and E, because all are single bond. Here double bond is not present, triple bond is not present, all the bonds are single. And if all the bonds are single, so after word root we use A and E. So here it is A and E. So the answer is, or the name of this compound is 2-chloropropane. Now come to next question on this one. Okay, select the longest chain. We selected this one. Okay. Now give the numbering 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I come from right, 1, 2, 3, 4. From left to right, I am having 2 chloro and 3 bromo. If I come from right to left, I will have 2 bromo and 3 chloro. Now anyone will be correct, beta. Positions are same, 2, 3, 2, 3. Left to right position is same, right to left position is same, but the name are different. In second position chloro is there, in second position bromo is there. So how one will be correct? Both cannot be correct here because both are not same. So how both will be correct? है ना, दो नेम तो हो नहीं सकते. So here which one is correct? So here you will see alphabetical order which comes first in alphabet. Which comes first in alphabet? Bromo or chloro? Of course bromo. B पहले आता है अल्फाबेट में. So 2 bromo is correct, not 2 chloro. जो पहले आता है वो करेक्ट है, जो बाद में आता है वो करेक्ट नहीं है. अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में आपको करना है. If substituents are getting same position, while numbering from left side or from right side, at that time you will see alphabetical order. In alphabetical order, if any letter come first, so that letter should get minimum number. Here bromo comes first, so bromo should get minimum number. So 2 bromo is correct, not 3 bromo. ब्रोमो को पहले मिलना चाहिए. तो 2 bromo is correct, this one is correct and this one is incorrect. You can write it whatever I said. Okay, जो भी मैं बोला यहाँ पे उसको आप वहां पर लिख सकते हैं. अपनी नोटबुक में पॉइंट नोट कर लीजिए. वीडियो थोड़ा प्रीवियस कर लीजिए, थोड़ा सा बैक कर लीजिए और उसको नोट बना लीजिए. ओके, सो हियर 2 bromo will come first. 2 bromo. Okay, arrange alphabetically. After that dash 3 dash chloro. So 2 bromo, 3 chloro. Then how many carbon beta? How many carbon is here? 4 carbon. 4 carbon means bute, A and E. So the answer is 2 bromo, 3 chloro, butane. Now come here, select the longest chain. This one is the longest chain. And after that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay. Now here it is second position. Here it is third position. 1, 2, 3. But if I come from right side, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4 I am getting, 2, 3 I am getting. Which one is minimum? 2, 3. Right? 3, 4 or 2, 3. 2, 3 and 3, 4. Which one is minimum? Of course 2, 3. So left to right is correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is incorrect. So I am erasing incorrect one and following the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now substituents are same. Both are chlorine. Okay. So if same substituents are there, for 2 times we use di. So here it is dichloro and the positions are 2, 3. 2, 3 dash dichloro. How many carbon? 5 carbon. So this one will become pent and after that A and E. So the answer will be 2,3 dichloropentane. 2,3 dichloropentane. Okay बेटा. So this was the nomenclature rules. बहुत सारी चीजें मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया. आपके पास बुक है, ढेर सारी क्वेश्चंस हैं, आपके पास वीडियो है, बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं. Now only the need is practice, practice and practice. Focus, focus, focus. Attention on study. If you give the attention on your study, so you can get more marks in the examination and you can also inbuild your knowledge. You can enhance your knowledge of chemistry. And the basic knowledge is very necessary if you want to choose the science subject in the next class. Okay beta, Now, this was the lecture. If you really like the lecture, so please share this lecture to the to your friends, to your colleagues, okay, and subscribe the channel if you want to get notification of the next video. Okay, keep watching, keep studying. Thank you.